Morning to all. Today again we are here with chapter number 12, exercise 12b, and we are going to solve question number 15, in which we have to use graph paper to plot the points, and points are A and B. Then we have to reflect these points in the origin to get the images as A dash and B dash. Then we will get one figure. After plotting all these points, we have to give the geometrical name of the figure, and we have to find the parameter also. This type of questions are very important questions from this exercise. Mostly all questions of this exercises are important, but this is the important part to find the parameter. So we will start the question, in which first of all we have to plot the points, and points are 6 and 4 and 0 and 4. So we will plot the point first 6 and 4 this side, 0 and 4. So this is B with 0 and 4. This is A with 6 and 4 point. Now we have to reflect A and B in the origin to get the images as A dash and B dash. So A is 6, 4. After reflection in the origin, we will get A dash as -6 and -4, and B is 0, 4. After reflection in the origin, we will get B dash as 0 and -4. 0 and -4. So first we will plot A dash -6 and -4. So -6 and -4 here. This is A dash and B 0, 4, and B dash is 0 -4. So this is 0 -4. So here we have plotted all points A, B, B dash and A dash. So we will join all these points. When we will join these points, we will get a figure like this. We will get a figure like this. We have to name this geometrical figure. This geometrical figure is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now the question is, we have to find the parameter. We know that parameter is the sum of all sides of the figure. So we have here 4 sides. One is AB, other is B A dash B dash, and B dash A. So we have 4 sides of this figure. This is the boundary, and we have to find the parameter. To find the parameter, first of all we have a measurement of all these sides. This is 6 units. This total is 4 and 4, 8 units. But we don't know this A B dash and B A dash. A B dash and B A dash we don't know. So look here in this part only. This is a right angle triangle in which this angle is of 90 degree. So this is 8, this is 6. So we can find the third side. This is perpendicular, this is base, so we can find hypotenuse. Figure is like a right angle triangle. Figure is like a right angle triangle, in which this is 6, this is 8, and we have to find this side, that is hypotenuse. So in triangle A B B dash, in triangle A B B dash, AB is equals to 6 units, B B dash is equals to 8 units, and we have to find AB dash. So AB dash square is equals to AB square plus BB dash square. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse we don't know, base is 6 square, perpendicular 8 square, 36 plus 64 is equals to 100. So h will be is equals to 10. So h is equals to 10. It means this hypotenuse means AB dash is equals to 10 units. Is equals to 10 units. This is 6 units. This is 8 units. Now, if this AB dash is 10 unit, so it means BA dash will also be 10 units, because in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. If this is 6 unit, so this is also 6 units. This is also 6 units. Opposite same, opposite same. Now we have to find the perimeter, and we know that perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. So perimeter of the figure A dash B dash is equals to AB plus BA dash plus A dash B dash plus B dash A. So AB is 6 unit, BA dash is 10 units, A dash B is again 6 and B dash A is 10 units. So 10 plus 6, 16, 622 plus 2, 32 units is the perimeter of the figure. That is parallelogram. So 32 unit is the perimeter. So again come to the statement. We have to reflect A and B in the origin to get the images as A dash and B dash. So first of all, we have find out the images of A in the origin, that is -6 -4, B 0 4 in the origin, 0 and -4. After finding out the images of A and B in the region, we have plotted A dash, B dash on the graph paper. When we have plotted all these on the graph paper, so we get a figure, that is parallelogram. Next part that we have to find out the perimeter of the parallelogram. To find the perimeter, we have a need of all sides of the parallelogram, but we don't have this side, we didn't have this side. So first of all, we have find out this side by using the Pythagoras theorem, in which this is base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and we have applied the Pythagoras theorem, and by using this theorem we have gotten the value, that is 10 unit of AB dash. AB dash is equals to BA dash. If this is 10 unit, so this is also 10, because opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is 6 unit, this will also be 6 unit. Again opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now we have all 4 measurements of this figure. So to find out the perimeter, we have added all the 4 sides of the figure, and we got a perimeter, that is 32 units. So this is the important question of this exercise. You all have to revise the important questions of this exercise that we have discussed in the videos. Thank you and have a nice day.